Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am sharing with you 3 fall recipes that we absolutely love. The first recipe are banana nut muffins. Here is everything that you will need. I made these for us to enjoy for breakfast, and let me tell you, they were so good and they were pretty easy to make. I will be sure to leave the recipes for all 3 of these in the description box below. That way, if you guys want to make any of these, all the ingredients and the instructions are right there in the description box for you. A little tip for you guys for when you're making muffins is to keep your batter light and airy. You don't want to over mix or your muffins can get a little dense, so you really just want to mix until all of the dry ingredients have disappeared. If you guys have a favorite fall recipe, be sure to leave it in the comments below. I would absolutely love to know what you and your family like to eat during the fall. Once you have your batter done, you will scoop it into a lined muffin tin and you will put the topping on, and you want to make sure that the topping is evenly dispersed. And I'll be honest, I think next time I won't reserve so many nuts to go on top. I will incorporate more into the batter. They were good, but they were kind of messy. They kind of fell off. So next time I'll just be sure to put more in the batter. The second recipe is crock-pot potato sausage soup, and here is everything you will need. I'm just starting by cutting up an onion, and I like to just kind of do a rough cut, and then I'll put everything into my Ninja food processor. That way it saves me a lot of time and a lot of that onion smell, and it also chops it up into little fine diced pieces. And then I will add that to a pot with some olive oil and get that going before I add the ground sausage and brown that. While the sausage is finishing up, I'm just going to add everything else to the crock pot. So I just lined my crock pot first, and then I'm adding a frozen bag of diced potatoes. This is what makes the recipe so fast and easy, but you can absolutely use fresh potatoes if you would like. And then you add 2 32-ounce cartons of chicken stock, and then 1 cup of heavy cream. To drain the sausage before I add it to the crock pot. That's totally up to you and your preference, but I will just add that and a little bit of salt and pepper, and I put it on high for 4 hours. The third recipe is an apple dump cake, and this is everything you will need. This recipe is so simple. I didn't use the full 2 cans of apple pie filling. I just used about 1.5, and then I added some cinnamon on top of those before adding the cake mix and the butter, and then you just cook it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you some fall cooking inspiration. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider hitting that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys!